White-collar crimes can involve a wide variety of charges like embezzlement, fraud, tax evasion, and more. Since they've become much easier to commit due to the internet, white-collar offenses are taken very seriously by the law. Offenders may be charged at both the federal and state level, though most severe white-collar crimes are taken to federal court and require a strong defense. Due to the severity of the consequences for this type of conviction, working with a white-collar crime lawyer is essential if you're facing this particular difficulty. The earlier you speak with a legal professional, the better your odds are of securing a more favorable outcome. Conspiracy involves conspiring with another person to commit a crime. You may receive this charge if you prepare for or organize a criminal offense or promote should commit a criminal offense with at least one other person and agree that one of you will carry it out. Note that a conspiracy charge doesn't require you to act overtly if it involves a felony crime like arson, first-degree burglary, or is directed to harm someone else. Fraud applies to a range of crimes that involve deceitful behavior, falsified statements or misrepresenting facts, and dishonesty. For example, if someone uses the postal system to obtain valuables or money in an illegal way, they may get a mail fraud charge. Similarly, using false information to lure people into investing money can lead to a securities fraud charge. Tax evasion is one of the most common white collar crimes and is defined as illegally or intentionally avoiding paying your taxes to the government. Misstating expenses or income, failing to file your return, or making false statements all fall under the definition of tax evasion and come with serious penalties. Embezzlement refers to misappropriating or taking property, money, or funds. Even if you don't keep the money or property and simply transfer it to someone else, you might end up with an embezzlement charge for taking assets that you were entrusted with. Money laundering involves a scheme where a person receives money from their criminal behavior, such as selling drugs or committing tax evasion. Often, launderers set up fake companies and create accounts to add and draw money from. Money laundering requires that the launderer gains capital from their illegal actions, puts it through a scheme to hide this fact, and that the money goes back to the launderer. If you've been charged with a white-collar crime in Arizona at either a state or federal level, speaking with a criminal defense attorney is a must. A serious criminal charge can impact the rest of your life in damaging ways. Speak with an attorney as early in the process as you can, as this will help increase your odds of a better outcome. Call the Jackson White Criminal Law Team at 480 745 1639 to discuss your case today.